Hector!
Oh, Coco.
Hector!
We ran out of time, Ego.
No, she can forget you.
I just wanted her to know that I love her.
Hector!
Go home.
I promise I want Coco forget you.
There he is! Miguel, where have you been?
I need to see Mama Coco. Mama Coco, can you hear me? It's Miguel. I saw your papa. Remember papa? Please, if you forget him, he will gone forever. There he is, papa. Mama Coco, please don't forget him.
I thought I lost you.
I'm sorry, papa.
We're all together, that's what matters.
It's okay, Mama. Miguel, apologize to your Mama Coco.
Your papa want do you have this? Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my arms. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me, though I have to travel far. Remember me, each time you hear a sad guitar. Know that I'm with you the way that I can be, until you're in my arms again. Remember me.
Elena, what's wrong, Nika?
Go.
Nothing at all.
My papa used to sing me that song.
He loves you so much, Mama Coco. Your papa, he loves you so much.
These letters, poems, he wrote me, and Papa was a musician. When I was a little girl, he and Mama would sing such a beautiful song.